Good morning, everyone. My name is Ritesh. Welcome to another show of Thoughts on Education by College Dunya. Today we are with Dr. Maulin Joshi, Dean Academics, Sarvajanik College of Engineering and Technology. Welcome to show, sir. Thank you for providing us your time. Before we start, we want to have your small introduction.
Yeah, myself, Maulin Joshi. Currently, I am looking at as a Dean Academics, Sarvajanik College of Engineering and Technology. Along with the same, I am professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and for the institute, I am looking as a NBA coordinator for our university, that is Sarvajanik University. I look at the IQAC activities, new education policies, All India Survey for Higher Educations, and so on.
Fantastic, sir. You must be holding all the key positions for the college. So my question would be in this regard only. Since you have held a key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career, what are the key factors that keep you connected with education sector?
First of all, that it's a passion for teaching. So because I have selected as a profession to teach the students, so passion for teaching has grown with my life. So with the childhood, I used to teach my cousins and younger brother, and then gradually I start teaching to my friend kids, and gradually, once given opportunity, I started teaching in an educational institute.
Fantastic, sir. You have been motivated for the towards the education since your childhood, and you have continued this as a career. And I really believe you must be enjoying your interest and making students benefited. So I would like to continue my another question. What are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and particularly for your college, and how your college environment and curriculum is helping in the same?
Very good question, actually, and it's a need of a day because say higher education in India is going with the transformation, and as an institute, as a society, and as an educational institutes, we have to tackle a lot many things. If we start with the challenges which are supposed to be faced by us, then foremost challenge is that say, decrease or decline the interest in the technical education. So it has been a threat to not only to our institute, surrounding institute, but institute of eminence, including NITs and IITs. So the trend may be I foresee that it has been excelled by the some new opportunities that nowadays the students are getting abroad, specifically in the countries like USA and Canada and some of the European countries. So that is a challenge that how to keep them engaged, keeping faith in Indian education system. The second one, that is that the so as with the students as with the faculty, that biggest threat in the cutting edge technology is the brain drain of our teachers as well. Teachers also intend to migrate. So students, teacher, we need to there with the cutthroat competition of updating our laboratory standards and our institute premises, develop the curriculum that engages students more, gives them edge across the globe, and that is what the your second part of the question, that how as a institute we take as a challenge. So we are in pace with the recent government's new initiatives, namely new education policy. So under the same, we are now coming up with a lot many good innovations. Students are given a good blend of mixtures among the courses, like basic science course, engineering science course, professional courses, professional elective courses. At the same time, now that as per the global trend, colleges have started giving them courses of interdisciplinary, because interdisciplinary education is being now thought of as a cutting edge. plus transdisciplinary system, because we never know that what is supposed to happen in the near future. So in keeping that future in mind, the students are supposed to get that also. And in continuation of the same, students are now being offered multi-entry, multi-exit sort of mechanisms. Students are even offered to specialize in their majors and minors degree courses also, and we hope that that will help us to overcome whatever the challenges that I mentioned in earlier part, to we as an institute, we as a society, and we as a nation as well.
Fantastic, sir. You have covered all the points starting and end, and definitely all the roles which you are serving. You are implementing all these factors, and it would be really benefit all the students. So, like since you keep all the good thoughts which is necessary for an education, so I continue my another question in the same line. When you first come to Sarvajanik College of Engineering, what was your vision for the college? Has it evolved over time? And how far along in implementing that vision are you?
It's a very touchy example and a case question to me. When I joined the SCAT, I was just a 1 year Novi graduate. I had some experience, 1 year industrial experience, and I had a vision to pursue it. My ambition from the childhood to become a good teacher. So I joined here as a lecturer. Over the period, grew as a senior lecturer to assistant professor to professor, and then dean student affairs, dean academics, and taking many more responsibilities. Along with me, that our institute when I joined was a new, so we had initial vision. Our SCAT is the one of the first institutes in the region of Gujarat to be in a self-finance mode. So vision was very straightforward, to have excellence in the teaching, and to embark as a good institute that in a self-finance mode also, that runs and shows the examples to other institutes also. So keeping the good examples of SCAT and few other institutes, that self-finance education in Gujarat grew a lot. It went to the its excellent growth period in the earlier 200s, 2000 decades, 2010 to around so forth. And then our vision also grew. We thought of that once we have got established as a good teaching institute, we should excel. My personal aspiration also grew, and we became first one to have NBA accreditation, which is itself a yardstick like ISO certification, and we achieved the same in 2006. I was well there with one of the team, and just to have a glance to all that accreditation in education, that is a mark of excellence. And at that time we used to start abet philosophy, that is philosophy that is prevailing in United States of America. Gradually NBA also got evolved, and now there are around 29 countries who are accepting each other degrees, not only for the higher education, for the job also. So if a student gets a degree with SCAT, which is NBA accredited, gets recognition in all 29 associate countries, that includes USA, Canada, European countries, Australia, New Zealand, and the Gulf countries. So that is how the we grew. That is how I personally grow, and that is how the education system in Gujarat has grown.
Fantastic, sir. You have kept all the factors, and you really explained very well that how your college has been globalized, and the student graduate from the college will have a global recognition across its all the courses. And definitely this will be helping to the student, and you as a dean academics had done a very great job into the same. So since we are running into sort of the time, I would like to ask my last question. What valuable advice would you like to give to students to have a prosperous career ahead?
Say, for foremost thing is that, say that students in engineering have opted engineering as a profession. So one should have a cut-through knowledge, that is must. Apart from this, in this particular era, only technical knowledge is not sufficient. So one has to excel in all aspects. So my advice to the students that you grow in technical, plus grow at the same time with your co-curricular activities. Take the membership of some professional societies that are working in the region of Gujarat, India and abroad, so that you can have a pace with all available. Plus try to fulfill your aims in life. Try to be the good citizens of India. Always keep India first, country first, and have a passion. Keep a good moral. Be socially responsive and be environment friendly.
Thank you so much for your kind thoughts and all the insights about the college and the society and towards the future education policies of India and implementation of the same. Hopefully, all your thoughts must be helping all the college junior viewers, parents, and students. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.